Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix try again later will limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting our time. So guys, first of all, what we need to do, you have to just open Instagram, tap here profile, tap on here three lines. And after this, guys, tap on here setting and privacy tab here. And guys, tap on here search and type limit interactions. Type here. And from here, guys, tap on continue. And here you can see the limit option. If it is on, then turn it off and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, go back and minimize Instagram. The second solution is take a screenshot of your problem and again open Instagram and tap on here profile. And after this, guys, tap on here three lines. And after this, tap here again setting and privacy and scroll down. Tap here help. Tap on here report a problem and again tap a report a problem. Tap on here include and continue. And after this, guys, explain your problem and give a screenshot of your problem and then send. And after this, guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.